Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Last night we had freezing rain, so the roads were really slick this morning when the boys had to go to work. I believe they made it there safely. I hope they did. It started to melt off now, so the ground's going to be a mud pit here. I still need to get the bales of hay down to the barn without tracking mud, so that's going to be a little difficult. I don't have the whole thing gravelled yet, dang it. Well, hopefully by next winter. Okay, got the hay out of the truck. Let's bucket the tractor here. There you go. Yeah, I'll get down there without getting mud, because as you can see, the ground's awful wet. Came across here with the tractor. As I go down the hill, problem is that sharp corner there, I might end up drop the bell, so I take it easy and slow. Yeah, this right here might be a little soft. There's a lot of gravel in this with this dirt here. This dirt's actually from somewhere other than here, so it's actually better than the dirt we have. I look like we're singing. There we go. Then we got gravel to almost to where the hay needs to go. Those pigs are going, hey! Good, you got some more alfalfa. Since it's wet, we're just going to go ahead and dump it. Maybe it'll dry out a little bit. I'll have to flip it over. Yeah, it's sinking a little bit. This is where I'm out of, I don't have any gravel right here. Ease out of this backwards. Try not to slip, tear it up. Okay, I want to go see the animals. Give them some food, maybe some treats, if I can find something for them. Well, it's a wet one. I did find eggs kind of everywhere, a little muddy, but there's 10 of them, so that's one more than there was yesterday. Harold's down here sharing his food after he threw his fit. I gave him his normal grain, he didn't like it, some of that corn, so I don't know what to tell him after that. So I have to eat alfalfa if we don't like the grain. That's what's on the menu today. He did get apples. They all got apples. And it was the last of my apples. I forgot I had a bag of apples in here and they were going bad. But all the pigs got apples. The tractor don't have an egg holder. So hope I don't drop these on the way back up. I like to cut these at the knots. That way you can use a string for something else. The 2-stringer, not a 3-stringer. Okay, everybody's fed. I get out of here. As you can see right here, there's the mud coming. It's melting off pretty quick. Yeah. Well, like the ground needs to dry up or freeze. So here's the end of my gravel. So I'll have to get that extended when I have the chance, the time, and the money. Well, I got to run to town and do some stuff with the wife. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day.